Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. Be hands-free and still connected with this cell phone lanyard from Gear Beast. This lanyard is perfect for concerts, active lifestyles, and travel. In its natural state, it looks really small, but it easily stretches out to fit any cell phone, and it even has a slot for a credit card, ID, or a hotel room key. I mainly use this for work. My coworkers and I all have the same work phone with the same case, and we're not allowed to alter it in any way, so no special screensavers, no special cases. So this lanyard really helps me to identify my work phone, and I hope it will fit into your lifestyle, and that's my point of view.